Excel formula to convert Boolean values into 0, 1. What is the Excel formula to convert Boolean values, false, true, into 0, 1? Supposing there is one shorter than equals if cond, 1, 0.
You could do it by casting. The int function rounds to the nearest integer. If the Boolean value is an A1, the formula would be
is the most common way to convert Boolean into int. That's why you see functions that have the in them for this very reason. It will turn an array of true, false, false into 1, 0, 0, which can then be used to multiply other arrays. Example: returning the total sales from region that is 9 or lower. Formula: calculation.
Multiply it by 1. X. True 1 equals 1 and false 1 equals 0. For example, if cell A1 contains the Boolean value, in a neighboring cell, enter the formula. Note: true, true plus 0 and true/1 have the same effect.
There's one for text as well, which returns an empty string if parameter is not a text. Equals t text, returns text. Equals t 3104 returns.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.